on equality. Equality means equality means ensuring that every individual or group of individuals are treated fairly and equally without any discrimination. Without any discrimination. Without any discrimination. It ensures that every individual has an opportunity, equal opportunity to make the most of their lives. Nobody should be denied an opportunity of having a good life just because of who they are or what is their caste, religion, or gender. Caste, religion, or gender. Democracy and equality go hand in hand. Democracy and equalities, they are go hand in hand. Equality is the core of democracy. In a democratic form of government, laws are made by the same people whom they apply. All citizens, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, gender, place of birth, education, or economic status of the people is considered equal in democracy. Democracy ensures that no person or group suffers injustice or is discriminated against on any ground. The democratic government seek to guarantee political, social, economic equality to all. In most of the countries, what kind of inequalities are the exist? First, as the gender inequalities are there. Gender means as the differences between the male and a female, boy and girl. Differences between the boy and a girl, such differences are the generally occur in all the societies. Almost all the societies, gender inequalities are there, in which the stereotyping that the male child is preferable to a female child. This sometimes gives rise to the female feticide, the killing of a girl child before of its birth. Even after their birth, discrimination against girl children, adolescent girls, and women continues to exist by way of unequal opportunities available to them. Domestic violence and various forms of humiliations are meted out to them even now. Second are the caste inequalities. These are the forms. What kind of or what forms of inequalities exist in society? What forms of inequalities exist in society? So caste inequality has existed in our country for thousands of years and has created a gulf between the so-called high caste and low caste. It has divided our society on the basis of caste and has deprived a vast section of our population of their right to live with dignity. The so-called lower caste and untouchables were denied even the basic rights and were forced to lead a life of humiliation. Untouchability has been declared a punishable offense by our Constitution of India, but even today we keep hearing of the such cases. Many laws have been enacted and social initiatives taken to protect and improve their social economic conditions of the people. Third are the religious inequalities. Inequalities often caused by the religious differences or religious beliefs. Sometimes religious communities who are in minority means as a lesser in number, who are in a minority suffer inequality and unfair treatment, leading to friction between people of different religions. So there are the three kinds of the inequalities are there: gender inequality, religious inequalities, and caste inequalities. So how does for this the related with this in our chapter there are the two case studies. Two of the case studies are associated with the equality, are associated with the inequality, inequality. So in these two cases are associated with the one as a caste differences, caste inequality, second as a religious inequalities, religious inequalities. One more example is there related with the economic inequalities, in which if anything has a wrong happen in our surrounding, yes, pay attention everybody, you all have to send the PDFs of your test to me after the test. After the test, within a 15 minutes, you have to send your PDF. After the 15 minutes, I will not entertain anybody. Clear? After the end of the exam, 15 minutes, it will be complete. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to complete their basic needs. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to complete their basic needs. Basic needs. Clear? So the poor people cannot afford the basic amenities. So basic needs are food, shelter, and clothing. Food, shelter, and clothing. Food, 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 shelter, and clothing. So these three are the basic needs. The poor people cannot afford the basic amenities like health, education, being illiterate and ignorant. They are not aware of their rights and are often exploited and made to work for low salaries. Third is the inequality on the basis of caste, religion, or gender. Caste, religion, or gender. Even today, lower castes, especially in rural areas, face discrimination. Preference for the male child continues. The number of social girls to school is much less than the number of boys. In most households, women do not command the same position as men. In our families, the end decision, the last decision has taken by our fathers. This is why, because of that male-dominated society which persists, which exists in India from the longer historical background. At times, it is difficult to identify the reasons for inequality, as the inequality may be due to the combined outcome of poverty, caste, or religion and gender. When people are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Their dignity is violated. The success can be achieved only when the mindset and attitude of its people undergoes major change and they learn to treat others with respect. So these three are the major reasons responsible for the inequalities in India. First, as a orthodox people. Second, poverty and lack of resources. Third, inequality on the basis of caste, religion, and gender. Clear? So this much for today. Any questions in your side? Those who wish to ask anything regarding the today's test, they can ask now. They can ask now. Those who are having any of the questions related with the today's test, they can ask. Yes, Prabnoor. Prabnoor Singh. Yes, Guneet.
सर अटेंडेंस हमें आपके नंबर पे भेजनी है.
Yes. टेस्ट मेरा है.
सर क्या क्या लिखना है?
Your name, your
Attendance.
class, your roll number. Your name, your class, your
Okay.
That's it. Just send whenever you start to reading the question paper. Question paper, it will be sent you in 3 minutes earlier. 3 minutes earlier. 3 minutes.